LS57, Another Park Gameplay, Episode 2. Let's go. Riders versus the Riders. Alright, we're gonna go. That's good defense, if you ask me. What they call the foul. It's all good, baby. It's all good. See the yellows, they're gonna stick together. I already know what it is. Okay. We need a big man to keep him out of his rhythm. You need to pass me the ball. You already know what it is. Good ball movement. Terrible shot. Terrible shot. Not a good shot selection right there. Get that. Got the nice hang time. Hopefully I could get acrobatic real soon. And we proceed. Okay. Oh, you read that like a book. You can't leave me open like that. I got it on posterizer. You can't just sell me any type of thing. Oh man. 5-2, scores 5-2. We need some turn up. Nice pass. Oh, but I rejected. I was rejected. Shot blocked. Unaware of the shot clock, but it's okay. It's definitely okay. It's okay. So Timmy Palmer has the ball. He's doing what he does best. Oh, he gets the nice two-point dunk. He just gets the dunk. I'm all tongue-tied and shit. Pause. I'm waiting for the pass. Finally get it. See what some of these attributes are about. Drive and kick it, and my man should easily, but he doesn't. So now we have to work extra hard. And he's just doing whatever they want to do at this point, which is okay. It's okay. Ooh, someone gets the nice assist. That was assist from past, like, down court, past life, because I've been past that, bro. And we say, not in my house. You're gonna have to earn that. Try again. Nothing's easy. Nothing's easy down here. Ain't easy. Oh, good pass. I'm open for the 2. You know I'm taking that. That has to be buckets.
Yo, I got next right here.
Good steal on my part. I'm open. Ooh, that was amazing. If y'all wonder, like, why Spaz turned down, because I'm not trying to curse. I got a message from a parent where they said they kid liked my channel and they watch it and they heard me cursing on the video. So I'm just gonna appease them and slow it up a little, you know? Nice assist. Good ball handles. Only a 2-point game. I mean, we could come back if we played the proper way. That's good. That's another turnover. They're just giving away gifts. I mean, Christmas is next month. This is Thanksgiving. Well, thanks for giving giving us the ball back. Oh, another assist. I'm getting assists from from the other side of the court. Like it's... Oh, that would have been so nice. Hopefully he misses that. He does. Hopefully he misses that. He does. I grab the rebound. We could go. You can pass it back if you want. He's going bananas. That's a great deal on my part. I'm pushing it. Hopefully he hits that. He doesn't. 2 missed opportunities. Grab another rebound. I'm like a boss out here. Fortunately, I can't pass this up, fellas. I'm sorry, but I couldn't pass that up. I had to shoot because you guys was just not doing the right thing. But I shouldn't stoop to that level and not do the right thing either. So that's selfish basketball on my part. So I won't do that again. I think this is my strong side anyway. Here goes the cut. Nice dunk. Nice play. Good shot defense. He scored. Okay, nice bucket. Oh, I should have had that. Good defense. Not in my house, baby. Not in my house. Let's go. Confusing our opponents. This game's tied up. I'll take that. And he fouls me. Frustrating your opponent is the best feeling in the world, ladies and gentlemen. I kid you not. Kid you not. Cut. Kick it back out. Ooh, give me another assist. I'll take it. Oh, that was definitely my fault. I got confused with the damn yellows. It's my fault. Okay. Everybody play their man, because they might try to end this with a 2. So everybody play their man. Oh, that worked out perfectly. Ooh, he was getting posterized out here. Okay. So let y'all know I get the ball and I'm doing me. He's just going to the rack every trip. I'm trying to end it. I'm trying to end it. I don't know what y'all doing out there, but I'm trying to end it. LS57. LS57. Hope y'all enjoyed that. That's how you ball, though. You feel me?